In this video guys, I'm gonna share with you step by step how we earned $10,211 in commission with affiliate marketing just in 13 days. The best part is just by using free traffic. I made this commission from the first day of this month of July until the day 13 of this month. I made $10,211. I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting, how do I create content to promote my affiliate links on YouTube, how do I choose the right services or products that made me a lot of commission, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new method and strategies. And the best part, by the end of this video guys, I'm gonna share with you the secret that helped me to get a lot of views on YouTube and scale my YouTube channel fast to start getting commission from YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, all you have to do guys is you just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission. This is the best affiliate marketing that you can start ever. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses, they will pay you just few cents. This one is profitable and you can check this website like I said. So just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, scroll down and account type, make it private. Okay, over here click on account type and choose, I'm just using free traffic. Click over here to choose your country. Okay, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy, it's gonna take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commission here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. Okay, so all you have to do now is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. So how we can choose good services? So all you have to do is you just need to open your YouTube homepage. Okay, go to your YouTube homepage like this. It's really super easy and simple. Okay, so why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube guys has 31 billion monthly visitors. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. You can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly. 31 billion monthly visitors. Do you see how many people are using YouTube per month? And millions of people every single day searching on YouTube for specific topics, services, products, and so much more. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine. YouTube is the second largest search engine, and after Google. Google is number 1 and YouTube is number 2. Anyway, so what you will do, you will click on the search here and you will ask question. For example, I'm gonna ask how to run, let's say Facebook ads for, and here you go. People are searching for those topics. All you have to do is you just need to ask question and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for on YouTube. This is a report search prediction. It's not me or it's not you, it's from YouTube. That's what people are searching for. People are searching for how to run Facebook ads for Shopify, how to run Facebook ads for clients, how to run Facebook ads for clothing brand. Those people who are searching for those topics, they have money and they want to run ads for their businesses, but they don't know how to do it. So if you give those people a good service that will help them to run Facebook ads for their businesses, of course they will buy the service from you because they will not lose their money. They will know that if they use this service, they will get good results because they will use those expert people who know exactly how to run Facebook ads. Okay, so anyway, so we search for this topic, how to run Facebook ads. What I will do, I will go back to Facebook, to Fiverr. I'm gonna go back to my Fiverr homepage, and I will click on the search, and I will search for Facebook ads. Okay, search for Facebook ads, and it's already popular right now on Fiverr. Okay, you see here. So I'm gonna search for Facebook ads like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so scroll down and choose good one, like this one, top rated seller, level 2 seller. This one is top rated seller. I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. So just click on the service that you want to use. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So just click on this one and let's see. And you will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. And as you can see, guys, this seller is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. Look how many people paid for this service. Okay, and look how many orders in queue, 28 orders in queue. That's really a lot of people are already paying for this service, and people keep coming back. Okay, because this seller is top rated seller. He has experience how to run Facebook ads. Okay, so what you will do is you will copy the link of this seller. Okay, copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here, and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, you have payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we need to create a video that we will use to promote our affiliate link on YouTube. So what we will do is we will go back to this seller profile page. We will click on his video.
Hey, my name is Joe, and welcome to my gig here on Fiverr. In this gig, my Texas-based internet marketing firm helps your business.
That's really good. This seller is explaining his service to his customers. So what you will do, guys, is you will double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, it's super easy. So just save this video to your laptop like this. I'm gonna name it Facebook ads, for example. Click on save. Okay, after you finish, go back to Google, search for Canva like this. So just search for Canva, click on the first link. Let me show you. Super easy. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page on Canva. Click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so all you have to do is you need to click on upload and click on upload file and upload this video about Facebook ads. Okay, so let me choose my video, Facebook ads over here, open, click on open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point and click on set video as background. And here you go. All you have to do next is you need to click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna use this one. Just choose good text style that it's clear and good. So I'm gonna choose this one for example. I will delete this second one, and I will decrease the font size of this text like this, and I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, and make your text like this. Go over here to elements element, scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to, let me show you, go over here to shapes and choose this one. Just click on this one, click over here on color, and let me see, choose black color and put this shape behind your text like this to make it look clear to your customers on YouTube, okay? Like this, and that's it. Let's check now.
Hey, my name is Joe, and welcome to my gig here on Fiverr. In this,
That's really good. So what you will do next, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. All you have to do next, go to YouTube, open your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel, use this title, how to run Facebook ads, and that's it. Just use this title like this, copy and paste, don't add or change anything. Please, just use the same title that people are using to search for those topics. Use this one, how to run Facebook ads, and that's it, okay? Go to your YouTube description and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, go to your YouTube description, put your affiliate link there, and start promoting services related to those topics. Those people who are searching for how to run Facebook ads for Shopify, clients, clothing brand, service business, local business, dropshipping, they have money, okay? Those people have money. That's because to run Facebook ads, you need money, and they don't know how to do it. So this seller will help those people to run Facebook ads for their businesses, and they will get results. They will get good results because this seller is expert. He has experience about running Facebook ads for businesses. He is top rated seller on Fiverr, okay? And that's it. You just need to stay consistent. You need to think smart, choose good services, do your own research, choose services related to those topics that people are searching for. You can make a lot of money with this business model if you do it right and if you stay consistent and if you follow those steps that I'm sharing with you, okay? And the secret that I want to share with you guys to grow your YouTube channel fast is use the titles that people are using. Also use, let me show you, use those pictures as YouTube thumbnails, okay? Those pictures you should, because thumbnails are very important on YouTube, so your videos can get clicks, okay? Use those titles, use those thumbnails. Click on this picture, just like this, double click, save image, and use it as a YouTube thumbnail for your video. This will help you to get more views, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. Like this video. If you want to see more methods about affiliate marketing, new services, how you can use free traffic from TikTok, Google, and Quora, Instagram Reels, Instagram Message, and so much more. Comment affiliate marketing. Like this video if a lot of people are interested. I will start sharing a lot of new methods with you for free, and see you in my next videos.